In order to safeguard public trust in the work of the Public Investments Committee or Governance and Education during the pendency of the inquiry, I'm further persuaded to suspend the Honorable Jack Wanami Wamboka, MP, from chairing the Public Investments Committee on Governance and Education during the period. For the avoidance of doubt, the conduct of the inquiry is not a bar to any other or further investigations into the matter by any other relevant law enforcement agencies.
But it is paramount that we protect the dignity of the House and its committees by first acting here within the House ourselves. And I say that, Honorable Speaker, because I know there has been a back and forth between senators and governors, and that decision that you have made this afternoon is not only Solomonic, but it will go down the annals of history as some of the right decisions to protect the dignity of the House and of individual members, so that we do not condemn all the members of that committee.
But Mr. Wamboka, Madam Speaker, I know he will, he's a law-abiding member of Parliament. He's a man who has chaired a committee for some time as a first member of Parliament. So, Madam Speaker, we will wish him well, and I hope and feel that in the end, he will be vindicated, God willing. Thank you, Madam Speaker.